In 2026, building an app is easier than ever. Thanks to vibe coding and AI agents, small businesses build custom tools for logistics, sales, and inventory. But they have a dark secret. They have no idea how their own software works. It's functional, but it's fragile. No comments, no architecture maps, and no security audits. This is documentation debt, and for most businesses, it's a ticking time bomb. But for the stoic architect, it's a gold mine. Welcome to the rise of the shadow technical writer. The syntax barrier fell, but the complexity barrier remained. When AI writes code, it moves fast. It doesn't always explain its reasoning. If a bug appears or the business needs to update the feature, they are stuck. They can't hire a new dev because there's no map to follow. Businesses are desperate for someone to translate their machines back into human-readable strategy. They don't need a coder. They need an interpreter. Here is your 2026 workflow. The ingest. You take the client's raw, messy codebase. The audit. You direct an AI agent to perform a deep logic scan. It identifies every function, every dependency, and every security hole. The output. You don't just give them text. You provide human-readable architectures, visual maps of how data flows, user manuals, step-by-step guides for their non-tech staff, security audits, a checklist of what needs patching. Let's talk numbers. The old way, a technical writer would charge $5,000 and take a month to interview devs and manually trace code. The 2026 way, you charge $1,000 per project. The secret. Because you are an agentic director, it takes you 2 hours to oversee the AI's output and polish the final report. The math. That is $500 per hour. You aren't selling time. You are selling the insurance of knowing their business won't break tomorrow. Are you ready to be the shadow? The tool audit. Do you have an AI agent capable of large context code ingestion? In 2026, 2 million token windows are your best friend. The niche audit. Can you find 5 local businesses using custom no-code or AI code apps? The pitch. Don't ask to write docs. Ask to secure their intellectual property. In the agentic economy, the person who explains the machine is more valuable than the machine itself. The world is full of black box software right now. Businesses are flying blind, hoping the code holds. Be the person who turns on the lights. Use the AI to master the AI. The syntax is the machine's problem. The meaning is yours. Stay sovereign. I've put a shadow writer outreach template and a list of the best Code2Docs agents in the description. Comment below. What's the messiest piece of code you've ever had to deal with? Subscribe to The Rebuild. Let's get to work.